Let's talk about April 20th. You might not realize it, but it's a golden day in math history.
See, on this one date but in different centuries, a few brilliant minds totally changed our world.
So why is that? Well, let's meet the people who made this day so important.
All right, let's jump right into our timeline centered on this one single day. Ever wonder how we make elections fair so every single vote actually counts equally?
Well, the answer starts with this guy, André Sainte-Laguë, born on, you guessed it, April 20th.
He did two huge things: invented a fairer voting system and basically created graph theory.
And that's huge, because every social network you use is built on his network idea.
So there's our first person. Now let's jump forward in time, but stay on April 20th.
Right, same date, 50 years later, a different country, and an even bigger idea. Next puzzle, how does a computer get what we're saying? Does it have its own alphabet?
The person who cracked that code was Giuseppe Peano. He passed away on April 20th, 1932.
His big idea? Symbolic logic. Basically, a special language for math where nothing gets confused.
And get this, every single computer language today, it all started right here with his idea. So let's add him to the timeline. See how this one date connects these massive, different ideas?
Same date, one more story. Now we meet the person who actually used these ideas.
So, who do you think were the very first computer programmers? Any guesses?
One of them was Kathleen McNulty Antonelli, who passed away on, April 20th, 2006.
Her job was insane. She'd break down huge problems and then physically plug in wires to program ENIAC.
She and her team were the first people to ever write software, the original human computers.
So there they are, Sainte-Laguë, Peano, and Antonelli. What's the thread connecting them all?
It wasn't just the date. They were all looking for patterns in the middle of chaos.
One found patterns in networks, another in logic, and the third turned that logic into instructions.
Because they found those patterns, we have our digital world. So who's going to find the next one?